Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Citroen C4 Grand Picasso. It's not quite as straightforward as it could be. Right, so from any screen, if you go into telephone, it's asking you there, connect to telephone. We want to delete one. So we go into options, and there you've got Bluetooth connection, quick messages. You go into Bluetooth connection. That shows you all the phones that could be connected. Now there's a bin up here at the top. You click on the bin, and then that gives you the option to delete any of these phones. So if I click on the bin there, delete the selected Bluetooth device, yes. I can do them all while I'm at it, which I'm going to do. So there you go.